Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google's account recovery flow and entering the exact Gmail address. Use the recovery phone or email option first because those send codes instantly. This verifies ownership quickly. Provide the most recent password you remember and the approximate account creation date to strengthen the request. Once done, stay on the same device and browser and avoid VPNs. Google rewards familiar signals. If prompted, choose Try Another Way to reveal alternative verification paths. You'll now work through layered verification. Enter backup codes, approve a 2FA prompt, or insert a security key if available because each proves real-time control. If none work, list precise details like device model, last sign-in city, and exact times. Accuracy increases success odds. Make repeated, reasonable attempts rather than random guesses. Google tracks pattern matches. Also, close other tabs, disable VPNs, and use a familiar network so the system recognizes known telemetry from your devices. You finish by creating a strong new password and confirming recovery email and phone so you don't repeat this. Then enable two-step verification and remove suspicious app access. This prevents future lockouts. If recovery fails, submit the recovery form with consistent details and avoid rapid repeated attempts. Sometimes Google delays reviews. Key troubleshooting tip: clear cookies, use your most used device and network, and wait 48 to 72 hours before retrying. Patience often triggers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.